Out with the old and in with the new. So here I have my new AMZCHEF blender, and boy am I glad that it came with this recipe book. Lots of great recipes in there for smoothies and all sorts. Looking at this blender, I am in awe. Look at it. The blender is one of two. As you will see, it also comes with a travel cup so you can blend up smoothies and that on the go. Today I'll be making a Jamaican strongback drink, so we're putting the blender to the test and also the travel cup, and you will hear the noise on this blender because we hate a noisy blender. Yeah, I'm happy with the noise level. It's not that bad, and I love the consistency of the drink. It blended it within seconds, which I was happy about. Glad that I can pour it straight from the jug with no mess. Happy about this strongback, y'all, and it tasted really nice as well. I was a little worried about putting the frozen fruits in the travel cup to make the smoothie, but the consistency, perfect. Love it. Link to this blender is in the description box, and you can click on the video below to watch the full vlog of the unboxing and use of the blender.